We are going to study about these two problems now. So here it is a network of resistance 12 ohm and also 6 ohm connected in what here? Parallel. 12 ohm and 6 ohm connected in parallel to a battery of what here? 12 ohms. Okay, we require to find out what is the total resistance. To find out the total resistance, we have R is equal to, or in parallel is equal to what here? R1 R2 divided by what is that? R1 plus R2. So therefore we will get 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6 will. So what you will get is 72 divided by is 18, that is equal to 4 ohms. Okay, so this is the resistance what we will get. Now we are required to find out what is the current in a what here, the 12 ohm and also what is that 6 ohm resistor. So we are required to find out these two things. So we already know that I is equal to what here? I, that is I is equal to V divided by R1. So we can able to find out how much of the current through this one. And later on we can able to say I is equal to V divided by what is that? R2. So for this one. So what is V here? The V is already there, the 12 ohm, 12 volts divided by R1 means what here? Once again we will get what here? 12. So what we will get is that is equal to 1 amperes. So for this 12 divided by R2 is nothing but what here 6, that is equal to what here 2. So this is how we will get to the things. And let us pass on to the next. It's the same thing. Okay. So in a circuit, to find the total resistance, we require to find out the total resistance. These two are in parallel. This one is in what here? Connected to series. Let us find out the parallel resistance. RP is equal to R1 R2 divided by what is that? So we have R1 plus R2 for this. So we will get 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4. So what we will get? So we will get that is equal to, okay, so 3 ohms we will get, okay, 3 ohms. Now this thing is connected to where? In a series to 2 ohms. So therefore total resistance R is equal to RP plus what here? This one considered as R. So therefore that is equal to 3 plus 2. So therefore total resistance is equal to what here? 5 ohms. Okay. The total resistance what you will get is the 5 ohm. Now you just apply I is equal to, I'll just show you here. Okay, I is equal to V divided by R plus R. So what is the R here? The R is the external resistance. The small r is the what here? The internal resistance. So the internal resistance is given as what here? So the 1 ohm. Okay, so here we have the 1 ohm resistance. So therefore I can able to say like this, I is equal to, what is E? E is nothing but a what here? 12 divided by, so here is the 5 less of 1. So here is an internal resistance is also there. Okay, that is equal to what here? 1 ohm for us. So what you will get? I is equal to 12 divided by 6. I you will get is, so how much? 2 years. So this is how we will get to. Now what is necessary? Through 4 ohm current through what here? The 4 ohm. This. So 4 ohm I want to identify. So what you have to do is I is equal to, so the current I is equal to I into RP divided by what is that? So we will get, so that is resistance R. So therefore I is equal to, what is I here? We already identified as 2 into resistance in parallel is nothing but a what here? So here we have, so 3 divided by what is that? We get a R is 4. 6 divided by 4. I is equal to 1 point. So we get 1.5. This is the problems we have posed.